To Brexit or not to Brexit? That is the question. This Thursday, Britain votes on its 4-decade membership of the European Union, with the option to Bremain in or Brexit out of the 28-country political economic alliance. Brits are dead split over the EU. And when figures on both sides of the debate are talking out of their asses with half-truths and threats, we honestly can't blame them. The Brexit crowd reckons leaving the EU would return immigration control and sovereignty, and make Britain great again. They wonder if they mean empire. The Bremain bunch meanwhile prophesize of nothing but the UK's impending doom should Brexit happen. A leave vote may spell the downfall of the EU and the UK herself, while remaining might well result in a United States of Europe. Either way, it'll go to the wire, and Europe will never be the same after the votes are tallied on June 23rd, 2016.